My name's Doug and I'm with QuietKat, and we are a manufacturer of electric bikes. We've been making bikes that we use for hunting, fishing, camping, land-based fishing. And we decided that we wanted to venture into another market. That market being boating, RVs, airplanes. And we're here at the Miami Boat Show having success showing our Bandit 1000 model, which is a folding electric bike with a 1,000 watt motor that can haul 300 pounds. It can be your grocery getter or your island touring machine. One of the things that we find is that people on boats, they want to be mobile. That's why they have their boat. When they get to wherever they go, they want to be mobile as well and not have to seek out their own transportation. With the Bandit 1000, you can fold it in half, put it on your boat, comes with a carrying case, and then unfold it on the dock right away, go to the grocery store, and have your Yeti cooler full or whatever it is that you need.